In this video, we are going to demonstrate how to rotate a page within the innovative design platform, Canva. While Canva boasts an intuitive interface, certain features can be a tad elusive, one of which is the page rotation function. If you've ever been baffled searching fruitlessly for a direct rotate page button, you're not alone. The good news is, with a bit of insider knowledge, the process is simple and straightforward. First, ensure you have your design page opened and ready in Canva. The magic trick lies in selection. Rather than looking for an isolated button, you'll want to encapsulate the entirety of your page's content. To achieve this, using your mouse or trackpad, click and drag to create a selection box around all elements present on your Canva page. Ensure every item is highlighted. Upon successful selection, a dynamic toolset emerges around the edges of your selected items. Among these tools, look for the distinct rotation button, typically represented as a curved, circular arrow. Engage with this rotation button by clicking and dragging it. As you maneuver this tool, your entire selected page content begins to pivot. The beauty lies in precision. You can delicately adjust the rotation angle as per your requirement, be it a subtle tilt or a complete flip. In case you overshoot or simply wish to backtrack to the page's initial orientation, maintain pressure on the rotation button and guide it back to the desired angle. So, while Canva might not present an explicit rotate page feature, this workaround ensures your design flexibility remains unhindered. By mastering this simple selection and rotation technique, you open doors to a myriad of design possibilities. In addition to that, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon.